What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors. I'd like for you to check out our website, maplemotors.com. We can get you financed and ship these cars all over the country. We're getting ready to do a test drive today. You're gonna be taking out this 1970 Fastback Mustang. This is a 4-speed car. 351 Windsor up under the hood. Should be a fun little ride down the road. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior of this car. Go ahead, take the horn pole. Do you think it works? Something we like to do up here. Seems like 50% of the horns don't work. Interior's in pretty good shape. Looks good. Headliner looks great. Be trying a few things out here. Seems to start up nice and easy. The gas gauge is coming up. I do believe it works. Showing 50,000 miles on the dash here. Gonna go ahead and try the wipers. They work. Radio does not work. Fan. No blower motor on this one, I don't believe. Let me try to move it around a little bit. Blower motor's not working on this one. All right, horn. Nope, no horn. All right, guys, let's take off. All right, getting ready to take off down the road here. Got my seat belt. Ooh, that's a bit tight. Try to loosen it up. It's way down in the bottom of the seat there. Make sure I don't hit nothing. Back in reverse. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know about. The clutch lets out about halfway. Speedometer is coming up. Easy to shift just then. Suspension's feeling all right. Engine temp is coming up on the dash, so that is working. We'll try the brakes out real quick. They're not too bad. I believe they are drum brakes. Pressure gauge is coming up as well. It looks to me like it's working, kind of bouncing around. Old clock ain't working over here though. I figured. Yeah, clutch is letting out about halfway. It's a good spot. And our temp gauge is under halfway. If I shift it correctly, I'll be all right. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. I was being gentle with the shift. I wasn't trying to jam the gears or anything. Be a little bit firm with it. Do it multiple times. Show you it does go in correctly. about to pull in this parking lot. We're gonna get some outside shots. If you want to see what cameras I use, the gear I use, this towel here is a lifesaver, especially today. You can see all that below in the description. I'm gonna get these outside shots and we'll continue this test drive. Got y'all back on the virtual head cam here. Hopefully it gives you a good view. Emergency brake does work on this car. I did notice power steering pump is dripping. I don't know if it's the hose or the pump yet. I'm gonna look when I get back to the lot here. Emergency brake does work on this one. Try not to turn my head too much and get y'all dizzy, but you hear that whine? That's that power steering pump getting low on fluid. So we're gonna head back to the lot, see if we can get something back in it, find out, pinpoint where the leak is. That whole time you can see the temperature gauge there, it's still right under half on the gauge. Car didn't seem to be overheating or having any issues. We ran around that parking lot for about 15-20 minutes, so definitely hot today. If it was gonna overheat, it would have done it just then. Here, whining. It's a big old speed bump up in the middle of the road here. The suspension feels great on this car. Shouldn't be any issues there. It's right here. Pull back in this lot here. I got a few more videos I want to get to today. Be sure to check out the walk around video, point out any kind of flaws on the outside of this car. I do appreciate you riding with me. All right guys, if you have any questions, visit maplemotors.com. We'll try to help you out. There's 100 detailed pictures on there that you can go through. Also financing information and shipping. We can ship these cars all over the nation. Also, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You can see test drives and walk-arounds of all of our inventory. All you have to do is also hit that notification bell and get alerted. So says Maple Motors just posted a new car. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys. You can see the walk around video, the last 30 seconds of every video, along with a test drive, depending on which video you're watching. If you want to look them up, you can do that with any car here. An example would be, type in the YouTube search bar, 1970 Mustang Fastback, Maple Motors. That'll get you both videos. Y'all have a good one.